2028 of Wakotoaba. What they be massive voter turnout. 2028 elections. Nipa be PSO mo betoaba because ayen hyehyeye eda ho. And it's all your MPP near, then you have a role to play. Ye na ebeka se de ya no baako. That is unity and the nante.
Nkabom.
But in kabom any anokro no e de be nante no. Ni na agina why the party nanim. Se abino ka say we don't have a leader of the party. I come back to the national chairman. Until say you be a flag bearer. Until say be flag bearer, you need a leader. Enti na mu be hia say me Armstrong wa na mrebi na me wo nyina so miensa na region ni nyina wo nyina so miensa se sa nyina so miensa enti ye fo ni post masinko. Apart from that, being a regional communicator, now the communication setup from national I want a plan to protect a certain candidate for the elections. That was there, this internal matter. And she said, ne, sa sheni ina so ni na kowie. Now the response ne free mu ba ye no. Ankoye the results na ye hwe no a. Essence sayeba.
Okay.
And sometimes the question is, and you say coming put the my year juma mani pa bi pen. Aba footprints no ho. Nti ene ka me here bibia me nyin ho mum na me ntoa so. But let me tell you, the win is a clear win 2028. And we can't lose that. Nti wo ye MPP ni a. Asamo yumrei eye nkomodie a ye di ye ho nkomo we ye ya party mu asem ne say. Obi an kakasa twetwe because ekoye den a nipa mienu emu ba ko be di anim. Armstrong is a communicator. Macklin is a communicator. Minua Kobramu is a communicator. Minua is a communicator. So now you are the also communications director. Then probably, and your candidate that way here. It's boys about the way now. There be ye now put ye answer. Only candidates back who call for to be found for winning elections. As the Kajitum.
Okay.
Intimate way, I am guided by my utterances and in my campaign. Make a summer Ken. Region mu. But make a summer Ken. Minua Kobramu say Kasama Ken. Obi Kasama Ken no. Ye bi say ko say die ye koka na wa bonten. E ye Ken near mapa. Only say politics no on to say.
O kasa bebre beba ho. Na o ka footprint bi ho asem.
Yes, please.
Once o ka nyina metie wodin. Also a footprint bi wo region mu.
Yes.
Constituency mu.
Yes.
Why the sudden change?
Very good. And until na make us say, Minua Otie Mimpo is also asking the same question. And when we say na me body tough anti no, me can say, na party no, any me am stronger be come. I no be leading communication no, or that footprint ko na wo come 17 no. Samre no, na me nyina so na ye me ensa.
Obetimi ne yache.
Oh, o pesa me no cha me ni problem because sa nyina so no na. After sa nyina so no, mabenya a research on it to confirm say sa baby ana me nam no say sa mre no dia na you okay but sa mre emwa party no if only we want power.
Okay.
Minia master ni nyina say the last election e call you know na time aye wa ban mu
but na me hoka pa o
me da say
na wo kasa pa and me cry me nam cry ko for now strong no.
Medase. The point I want to make is say, yeah, for last elections no. Before even the super delegates elections, Obia the baby and Armstrong the Macron and nam. But you are asking why the sudden change.
Yeah, sure.
The change is not sudden.
It's a science no.
Yes, it's a science.
Me ba. Yen kan twi na atie for nte emputu pro se sai na free hen
and I miss some person describe me say enye putu pro se sai
the
yes sai ya mrantie no adadwe ne ho abu say we trend we are eye mre bia ne yes so di anim tie bi o
mo hwe kwan bia
eye mre bia ne yes so di anim.
Okay,
so what I say so those times so what me konya be audios that time wa ka be hu say Armstrong was speaking on points. and point no back on say emra na ye choose your flag bearer no na ye choose your John Mahama man shall say the campaign over almost 1 year 2 years cry.
Yeah, that's true.
And we thought say you were a certain vice president I don't hear money commission a whole lot of things not or down popular there, then why don't we go with him? You see one of the strategies, one of the main points. Number 2, there are some potential call last election America show no. Yera John Mahama otu amana mayen and the IPI Hokotom.
Amana no.
And amana no otu mayen ne say. Oh, we say Odi kind on all the campaign platforms to say. Mo Yera Muhammadu ba o me adwuma all ye die. Edru mra esesabo man akwanya. Mo mano mo be genius in chain sa na bi 40 na mo ya kan party. Sa asem we di yenya pa da yitrim ne yakwo chain. Enti Armstrong ne Western North for decide say sadia e de ebema Yera Jomama who say ye akan dominated by yenya akan. Tell me catch say otu amana man ye kotom. Enti yet na radio so ina no dia na ye nyina so pa de say esese ye defeat Yera Mahama na no asem wo kan no. Ampanso am I head your say yo. The third one because there are 3 reasons bro. So I'm not coming to the third one.
Yeah. Me too, pa.
The third one, Muslim votes. Muslim votes. That was when they used to hear when you are paying for them, say you soon no pa. Last 2 years.
Say mo you so Muslimi for no.
The Muslimi for no. Eti Muslimi for no ba o meto ama yen. Party ni ye ni survey. Emma party ni survey no. Na bibia kire say Muslimi for no say si ade wo nua Muslimi ba o meto abani na ma. Ba bi nua tina bibi say results na ba ni say the whole Ghana for the first time in the history we MPP ni atie mi ye wo say am so me kasa utie wani je and man the leadership ni choose no any problem my but say based on facts and figures abaya koto ne no achi abaye. This is the first time in the history of MPP results I am winning only one zongo whenever one zongo one
the whole country,
the whole my Ghana winner.
Like seriously,
even under another second term you are winning more than 8 zongos. Another second term and under yedi Muslimi ni abano me say every before me no must learn to listen to the analysis.
When say yeah no
TAB my yen save MPP ne.
Oh okay.
Me say only whenever zongo and the MPP when here
whenever in a futu.
Yes, apart from that all the zongo polling stations are all Ghana. Even 2 MPP Ghana even 2000 and 1996 and we are boycotting most of the elections so it means that number 1 and then you prove it actually no one this before say yeah a can party but a kind dominated and today I am reminding me your MPP ni say hey if you ask so why identity men giant because of Obiano NPP we have our identity. And so you are protecting that identity now. The identity is I can't dominated. Tell you.
And then my identity.
Yes.
Say be who NPP am you ko no a. You home say I can for do no ewum.
Don't evidence how you now can. I can for do no.
But enya can for pay.
Debi. I can for do no. And my remember the reason. One pay. 2008. Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo winning the first round election. The vote difference was 150,000 votes. A Krobi so anke Germano. But you winning only Asante region and Eastern region.
2 regions.
2 regions. You call round off no. And this is some winning all the 8. Ever MPP winning the Asante and the Eastern. But so Yera Tamos presidency no be di no. Now the vote difference in rule 40,000. So it tells you say of course. Say it mean we need only 2 regions. Now we need presidency there. Then it tells say I can't dominate. That is our identity. We must not run away from it. And more be another. Say and I say no. So the point I'm making is say reasons me and Sanya the call ye. I can't for party. You prove John Mahama wrong. And fact, you pay Muslim vote. Or man to my almost almost yet. And then candidate aye ko name him say or a marketable candidate to abonte dada sam enye no correct because the kind of results they film by enye. Okay. And then let me tell you the last thing. I'm the man no see my nua ba mu bi. Minua, it will surprise you. Say, you can say why ni Canadian Japan ahu. And they be din komo ya wie. When say na sa net here. She drew baby politics unyi wani mu a. And fa camera and see nneoma bi a wo ye ma o man so. Say drew baby a wo yi wani mu a. E ma ye fa camera and see nneoma bi a wo ye ma party. Ma this said ya me say no anwumre ne say. Time one ye wo ye defendi yera Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia Samre no near the nneoma pa di defending who are not attacking any other candidate. And then na asesa. And then when we did this campaign and him, when they too on for, I need on the social media, I dare you say, yeah, someone can say, South to about my candidate well, what the cafe ni noir. I dear we no be name Yankofa Honorable Kennedy. The videos, the pictures, write-ups, audios, those things. Now you attack it by your catch and being chair. And Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia can say, the more I hear three individual for back from no, who attack individual now watching about from no, or say party no, because as it stands now, Western North you're connected. Western North, baby any udru baby any agency. Do you know why? Because in paying for no mudi any muni bino, and na yabe who say, hey, some mudi akwa. Yeah, ni monyam na mo de kwaji o. Na mo ba mo de abehye dem. Na mo wi ade ese ensa ka yensa anka. Wa wo share flyer mo ani na ho. Okay. Wa wo post social media mo ani na ho. Obi didi. Enti media se na mesre. Se wunya bi ni a, ment na wo kona anka se. Yenko second term. Sabi, enyo obi a de 7 second term. I'm sorry, but I say Mackley. Let me tell you. Honorable Canada Japan. My name is Omaimu Odin Omaimu. So and my money could be NPP. I know sir Papa no Odin a womb. And my name is Bia why you my pebi a party name since 1992. Honorable Yakasa can was some I'm strong dear can send back come you be I know say 34 80 or month 18 na be but I can say can honorable one someone we be honor Mr. Ka ajumbe dedi kan ma menchia na menchia watifo watwe abe wa fidi a wotie liberty anyumre na memfa nchia sonko emma yura jojo rocky obin former regional minister Achai Yura Alfred Obimboatin, Yura Kingsley Aboajijedu, Yura Dr. Alex Ampabe, Yura Pius Vincent Abaka, Yura Dr. Kwame Afriye. Yes. And Yemfa Nchasonko Emfree Yura Kennedy Akompreko a Japan so Emfama Party for Yina. Na menkase nyame ya adomo a enche party no edin hihye nyina gu akwan mu se etwase ye to aba na yeyi kandini no bedi ye party no animu mesika da bia meka ne se agudie we ya yedi no ho enye MPP ne PNC enye CPP and NDC but basically eye NPP internal elections and aye as a way efficient bachai na ya ndrujwa da
ebeko kwada eno nti yebu baby say kokoma ene omo nyina ye kobofoma ana
yeah sure
eno nti I have been saying say dwumadie we no wo ho yembo ye kandi ni aye pese ye gine tum say party no obeboa ama tumi a ye pe nyame ya adom 2028 na yede abamu Mystica, we want power, not a flag bearer.
More per power.
Yes.
As an NPP.
You are Dr. Kwame Nkrumah e kan sembi. O say upe tumi a obetime de wo maame a wo akwa gitumi no. Na uwi a unya tumi na se nsaka tumi na wo de wo maame a wo a wo de ne kwaji tumi no nso ayeden.
Ah. Kwaje maame na ba.
Yes, o de tumi na akwa eden. Akwa jo maame.
Kwa tumi no wo nsem.
Yes. Erinti there be ameka say yen ton yen candidate no because nyame ya adom na yewura Kennedy ohene akompre konwene a obewene nso ye behia everybody on board say ye begina abonechi dom na ye party no a ye pese ye sanji to me. I have been saying there is no way I betimi amene power abra there is not a party cohesion. Say party unity ni wa ye nya power. Anu nti unim se ofa enjegebra kura be flag bearer. Na ye nya sa unity na ye pe na there is no way say betimi aiden anwene. Anu nti from me I believe say young ton yura Kennedy or hina a Japan na wona wosi ahene no tono said ye be ya obeto aba na aba be di party nanimu na 2028. I've been saying there is no way, and historically that is going to be the first time NDC as a political party almost 4 years no ebe by 2029 almost mean cross 2029 8 years no because onim yanami amanfo kan party for kan timamufoɔ ka wona wo tie ye no eka say McLean se mo de yewura Kennedy akompreko eba NDC for kwa so kwa ka say MPP e de Kennedy ba ye ho be den e be kire esan say ye se de ade wo no na odie ye de come de no na wo share the track records yewura Kennedy ni business life onim say oko Italy one of the most successful presidents yenya wo Italy Sergio Berlusconi. He was a businessman. As we speak you are Donald Trump or America, he is a businessman. Now him na bi mo kan na ye presidential material Mystica may be ba yewura Kennedy the contribution, the commitment, the dedication to our party no. But me pese me ma atiefo no wona oto aba ene MPP for etie na sese. Ye the business people aye o mind be here same thing that we can do in Ghana. She me tna wase din na me dwen ho a me say enti pass Ghana as o mind. Oko Nigeria you are Dangote as an individual has been able to build $2 billion oil refinery in Nigeria. Enti Ghana yes nipa ba kupe individual $2 billion oil refinery in Nigeria. Enti as a country yentimi ensi oil refinery company to hoye den boss e hoye den na ye de na akwa ye say book economics book but baby ya duru we need a practical leadership practical
and we think Desmond we think such person is honorable.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
About what your businessman.
Absolutely.
Purchase my patron, purchase my two abamano. No be di amanyokun anymore. You think honorable?
What do you say? Or a grassroots person?
Oh yes, I know.
Now, unim, oko South Africa, Ramaphosa.
Yeah,
Ramaphosa. Unim say Ramaphosa MTN company. Ramaphosa modia.
Meaning
MTN every South Africa.
Yeah, I know it's every South Africa.
Ramaphosa obey president. Our president was South Africa, and he's the business person. Share, Maminka we na membra Kennedy na achievement why ewo man so. Me bisa me panyin bi say. So on my as a Ghana, you are tete kwashi edi koko eba Ghana. Yemfa ne say because of political instabilities inti. And maybe yenti mi anya nhye bia na esanka ye emane boa. But from 1992 ye gi democracy kabi maminka bia mamotu mu no. Sabi mpanyinfo aba di president no. Obi antimi antake a bold decision say yen koko koko ene ye de ball manga na wo bra. And ye de ball manga na wo bra. And every year bia ye ma ho be 10 years. Onim say ye to koko bia kwaje besia.
Yeah.
Besia na ye kwa kwaje no. Ho commitment fee, processing fee, risk management, brokers na omo ekope loan no, omo card omo beje free so and san interest a yebetua. Onwie no se waje be 1.8 billion dollars emu be 150 to 200 million dollars be den e be free na mesika unim say 200 million dollars they be timi they establish a whole university or Western North here. Yes. And me bisa panyin say enti san komman panyin bi baye enanka otimi di 50 million dollars eto ho ene ye man ho 10 years anka 10 years no ye wo around 1.5 billion dollars aye koko na ye ton ye nkwaje besia bia o ba bia biem nanka ye dia to ye koko no ye koton so a price aye pe ene ye de beji because yankwaje besia okwaje besia na negotiation bi ni say koko ni kwa na o say o beje besia koto no ye wia ye beto ni say and we need a leader
na sali da no
you were Kennedy a like ye pe no nonsense leader on kondoni on konaive onye katasumu muaso unim say yes unim say a da you was some vi ko chair dollars your friend no a ye de ne ko say ko I say Bible mu dey see ya say yes go and see no more no o say sanko no a anka be born nansi to atago
o ba say bia on nyon na tie kunwa so ntia
why o say anka be na ne lifestyle yewra Kennedy won yewra Donald Trump or president America from 1989 he has been so consistent with me some hoka on fake asam say the city na Ghana for ade mu ye pe obi a I say wo fa say ni denti kuro umia ebe ne ya wa mia so a
naneti
Kennedy be mia amana ya wo ya na ekuro ne den eko Mystica mamembra yewra Kennedy akompre ko Japan so
okay
oye obi a oye patriotic oye honest and na osanye discipline very disciplined. Now Ghana as we speak we need a disciplined leader panya odene nan esi asamino say me asamino say the city ni eno no regardless of achopa Mexica ye kwa abrochire a ye kodi mraso ewo ho but ye tie kroma ye ni mraso de be de no man develop ye ntimi develop your mind no anu ntini at this material time ye see Yewra Kennedy na na montuo a wada na die odosonko a owoma party no tema owoma NPP no eno na e can some of us say no ye ntimi enye ne say de be bia ye no but at this material time ye ma Ghana for party for NTS ye be or best sound man shebre as I say in his own private life no yenya anawana or contest abano there is no single person you were Kennedy contribution na what the my party no obetimi eden eden watoto no me bobi so enie
okay
me wia me de bema amba wankasa wo de we yense ntwirem ni kura no wakobu de waye de aboa party de waye de aboa Ghana de waye de aboa individual to the extent say even Haiti at rentam etu Haiti kura no you were Kennedy e donate ye e de yeden e boa Haitians no
say Haiti ni Africa
there be but leadership the be kan no ade na aka nwa ese wo da na die na emati mamufo ne amanfo ehu se sebe enye wo nko a wo but wo pe se ade no eyeyie na oman no etumpon a ye mpre ho se ebetu kwan akwa bre obi man so.
And as you rightly said no, as in some training no medemania di NPP in semachi kakra. Na I remember that somewhere in 1996.
Okay.
And I honorable Kennedy Japan me tin din. What be na me nyini bebre
sure.
Na me near kakra.
Sure.
And in some no can from where me free baha it was positive. But papa no 101 me hu that.
Okay. Share you were Kennedy akumpre kwa Japan. Ye won 19th June 1960.
So you're June born?
Yes.
Oh wow.
Yes.
So you're June born.
Ofri asin but onim say oba akan mu kra na asin for no kra more or less like asante for enunti ni abringen no ana baby otana ye pa ekumase ana omo bantima na media or started as a business person.
But before you continue on, messages can clear about Facebook.
Okay.
Jodonko was we need a tall leader, discipline, and will crack the whip without fear or favor. That leader is Honorable Ken Ohene Japan. And this one Ken connected. Yeah. I feel yeah, Trasoa Nanaba Skopi was connected. And George Donko was highly connected in our win.
Yeah.
That's a swami.
Sure. Okay. Our win, Enchi.
No.
Sure.
Oh, okay, so I saw a TV and so then they were connected at Bodi, Nyameche, Ababio, in Kent we trust. Oh, really?
Sure.
Park we see them connected.
Sure.
Matheson, Chris connected. And then we're connected.
Connected, yes.
George Donko, enough is enough. Ken must lead for victory 2028.
Enti as a business person, no. Niema waye me pese me bobo so na party for. Onim say ope obi a yen party no consistently or kasa edima grassroots ni pa ha e Kennedy. Mo sisi grassroots no de mo ye no emboa o mama yen share grassroots no because obiti adabo krom ebia kam 15 akufado ohun nanimu da but day in day out da be bia akodi akufado ho dance ye den exanipa no akodi dance na power to me na ba no day na esese wo ye den oye yatibi ye ba ya amanfo ye pam o mo afiri adwuma mu Mexica ye bo NDC fompa ifo bitimi ka kire wo se ono de se wonya NDC ni a hwe ye ne wansi ni office ye bisa na wo se NDC fo so ye Ghana fo enunti ye wa Kennedy o ka Ghana fo asam na o ka MPP polling station for asama it means say o kasa de ma grassroots no hwe ye wa complex one as individual Mystica but be a new man, I employ over 7,000 people. As a single person, me say the private life in Boni, and the what me I employ nipa over 7,000. So yeah, the Ghana shining za, Ghana to me, yen resources war, bet me a Gina so no why day. Wabua Emma Ghana for a day. Enya nyumaye. Share okwa waso website awon. Yes, production as 1943. Mystica, I am telling you, say, the last time I'm in paying be call. Mystica, production on why no even omunye 1/3 of website and the depositor a war.
Assume assassin.
I was here young coin in the numpong. But leadership and a leader bay, and you hear is a see say, oh my young fellow, that's you know, and good casa can and say a coin from a head to Takrade. Not yen same far yen unco China. Not yen refining war. Not yen far added value nimran aboard this so yen san crack. A burden yen dollar no. And the individual asking your poem. At me be a juma for over 7,000 people. Now you're the Ghana saying you can imagine the quantum and a number sir and a numa you run a bit me a man of Bugana. Now mamim bra your party nim or your funding member US MPP or your funding member. Ebio 1992 you were a compre it donated $300,000. 1992.
Acho.
That is around 23 years ago.
23. It's over 30 something.
Oh, 30 something years ago.
1990, 35 years. And 33.
33 years in here. Now, single person at me, I'm my yen, $300,000. Oh, Professor Dubois here pencil. Ebio, Saturn nano or donated 15 brand new pickups.
1992.
And you're nice mo. Yes, say, until the can catch it, I will say, dear, a comb, the idea one, and the dear, but and yet, dear, come your day. I don't know. Memaka, sir, you my way, young boo be but we will speak truth to power. Ye beka asem no said ye say den ese ene said ye efata Mystica
me too
ana ye rakofo e baye 2000 ye ra akompreko ene namua ene obey member of parliament e wo asen 2001 Satam no na seat no eye NDC seat na bom asen south asen north and Asen Central. Nani nyina dey ebom baako. Obegina MPP anamu and when a big started from 2001, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016, 2020 and osemi dey. Min ko biem. Enti ope obia onim yem party na bakosam onim mwa waboy party ni dia and ye were Canada na me nim said yes ya dey akanafa hwe asa 204 or donate 100 brand new pickups 100
just last year
2004 na you no starting from enya no
92
brand new pickups mako 100
2004
yes asema making your party for no dodo na nim
evidence for
dodo na so cry nim nti ye ma ye party for no eden atiase se be ye megu obi hu fin wo ha ye medi obi atem ye mekase we ye wei but nipa ye pese odi party na nim no de why ma party no as like a sole person and an individual and ye kan wasemo ha
so apart from 2004 dey be
yeba 2008 elections na won you were Kennedy and the partners donated $2 million. That
is
2008
yes control
$2 million as a 2008 and donate ye and the day a ma party no
$2 million.
Yes, now obi say na say you were Kennedy or MPP ni yamano MPP man adwuma enu nti odeneti na yede Mystica nipa nyinaa na wonya adwuma o party ni mo do zika bo party no
more than 5,000 people enya contract when people how many are donating
$2 million way back 2008 Mystica anso hwa o sign 2008 krona yewa akompre ko Japan single-handedly e donate 245 Tata pickups 245 huh? You also going to see.
Na mo de nya mo de na.
Me da se. En kon police na dance ni wa brochire.
O sana me wa ha.
As we speak.
Can I Japan de buy?
Me say.
Sa tata be pick up the.
Esi. Esi da se we say yi.
Na me be say na.
Your license on 208. Number plate ebo no.
I go phone pick ya.
Me say, they be say car no we 208 to this time. Sabe our lifespan. Na anso hwa ena yewura Kufuado ye
this Africa for no more dia
Kennedy na de ba
ye party yewura Kennedy akompre ko Japan ena de pick up ne de ebrey
na do mu so betin
na oba ye na omu a ena na ese ye ko 28 2012 and 2016 elections na 2016 wa hu o donate 16 containers of used clothes. Into Kaya 2016. Ye campaign ye konzara. Ye see a few more. Miss oh ntadio no mugusu 16 containers. 40 feet 16 containers.
Force ntadio.
Free.
Okay.
Okay. 2014. Na party no call delegate conference our tamale yewura Kennedy fully funded yen activity na so our tamale 2014 single-handedly
you wanna feel delegate by
anunti Mystica party na sama yekano
so feel delegate asem no
yewura Kennedy wa hu
adwuma ne nyina no
yewura Kennedy ye party no onkasa kwa wo yesi ni freni se obeto
ye brefo o party
say yesi ni freni se obeto aboba abowa na ne nan se ebi si ne nan si bi so na ebi eden ebi kura ni nsem
enye ne wo kan ka menim
sa me say di freni se ose obebo aboba na ne nan esi bi so ebi si ni ne nan si bi so a na ebi kura ni nsem or the bebo and until you Kennedy yen party ni mu onkasa kwa because ofi say say ye yade a ebeboa ama party de kanko na party ni kanko so be koso a na the grassroots onim say ye were over 214,000 delegates ye beto aba ye beto aba over 214,000 and now one beto aba
oh my batwa mo
yeah about we mu
over
214,000
enye the packet 12
yeah well, over 40,000 polling stations multiply by 5 wow. plus coordinators constituency executives regional executives of the whole Ghana, then national executives, council of elders, council of patrons, committees are that's about
to enough
all the executives. Now Oceans were the only person kasa and kasa ni kwachiri and kasa no party for no egitum ehu se won ana onu a obetimi aboa party no ene yewura Kennedy akompreko Japan on say me kan ye say ye pe leadership and ye pe leader obeyin free the theoretical aspect of your economy no
krata
na onfamra the practicality aspect yes Mystica ye brainity mame monitor tell
yeah brainoko
there was problem be for me between that it was an impasse like it should be an high between the former constituency chairman and your parliamentary candidate.
Yeah.
Yes, it Yura Kennedy call ya no say e ka be no wabo se seneca andrumpo no man 1 million Ghana cedis adwobre case close and the case ni ewu ya ene Yura Siama we second deputy speaker our parliament sia no hwe asat 2022 MPP na ye call yen delegate conference. I say ye conference and ye call no year 4 years. You were Kennedy Emma party no 2.75 million Ghana cedis. Say yen fanya den. Emwa party na juma. Ana juma di na ye kwa akodi no. That is around 27.5 billion old currency. MBM and na as individual. Onye mwa party no enti open ye party ni progress open ye party ni kanko yen party no nhyehyeye yen party ni sikasem yen party no ni nyina ye mu a single handedly you were Kennedy but penny dusa o deserve say yen fa too many ye den en shaninsa and I've been telling you and I was telling you say power we need somebody who can win us power come 2028? Not just a flag bearer. Who bet me the Jesus Christ grab IBCO as a flag bearer. Say on you be a Ghana for say. Yepa. My mama was in B. 2008.
Okay.
You were Barack Obama. Say a person president of United States of America. And now Democrat for a Obama say Omeye omo flag bearer. And they be more say Obama or a secret Muslim manka se Muslim enye na America den na Osama bin Laden ababe bombe Trade Tower yes nti ye kukito ne so se oye Muslim a one Obama fan and crat and a baptismal card. Say, bo me call Trinity Church of Christ or Chicago. And no the heading, actually. No, so, sanity. Into even in advanced countries, by a democracy or more practicing democracy close to 300 years in the crown.
You can't trot on
Fosso. And a yen trokeke and tra and a yen trumpo and some if he said there be emboa. You were Kennedy, a compre Japan. 2016. Every constituency be a war Ghana. Omanika. Now, Mr. Kam said, Bakuka Brefi. 208. Yeah, the Russian pick up be by. Okay, Sakano. Saka be, I say, Amond Kabi. Not a polibi. Now you're the crowd in Namha. We are 20 MPP.
I am up to the red.
And I also don't know. I won't.
That's I can't.
208 as an amino. Physical. Yes, no. In fact, I want to me per se party for no polling station executive, your electoral coordinators, your Kaika one. Here 2016. You were Kennedy. You also, you had your is it Tundra? Ford, no, na Ford. Every Queensway be a Ford white. You also Queensway. Yam branded. Ford, na enya double decker. Single decker. Na chireke siebi na ya tre chire. Saka no, emse the Ford mono ni zu no na 2016 every Queensway be a mo bibi. You were Kennedy. Oba parliamentar wabeye chair communication select committee in parliament 2017-2019 obeye chair local government and rural development select committee in parliament 2019-2021 obeye chair defense interior and security committee in parliament of Ghana and the recent aban position na ukuraye ana babia odi ni juma boche Ghana gas. Okay. Yuma Yewa Kennedy woni binie. Baako Netu TV ne dia Oman FM ne dia As FM ne dia Nap Radio ne dia enti sa radio station we kura no se omo ye adwuma wo ho baabi kura na ye 20 2030 kura na baabi amabubo yi individual why employ nipa be say the co-stores ayewo Asempa co-store Adepa co-store Ade cement co-store and na Adwempa co-store. In fact, first ever steel company yewo Ghana Asante Steel no so kwa no the companies ni nyina no local names local Asante Steel na dia ye manufacture Ghana ye nkira free China. Basically you are very abreast and aware. So the problem with yen FX and exchange rate no is as a result of the quantum of import ahead.
Yeah.
Na only papa net ho ho. Na oma wo practical ideas. Niema ewo ni tirim, niema ewo na koma so, niema opese wo ye de boa Ghana, you could see say, Ghana 21st century, Ghana as a country, nipa obetimi aboa. Amo man na eden atumpon, eni Yura Kennedy akompreko ejepon. Na o hye niema waya wo
yeah brain nti
mede besi ba ko ahia me me pese meka na at a time just say edo so ama your time don't see me nka ni na onim say okọ 37 military hospital onunko spend $6 million all this cardio center
onunko
why you so selfless
ahon fama
me say obi a onye hate ni kura no etimi hate for ka say earthquake bi si wo hate nipa yira ye nipa share form o donate $, say yemfa mo e nipa
asam
e kanu me de manu si
first man
na health center de waye e de aboa konfanachi de waye e de aboa tamale teaching hospital de waye e de aboa asen Catholic hospital niema Yura Kennedy no me ameti hai ti say na me nua antro kan the last time Yura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia I have been saying say be yen time no na Israel for penso no and a Bible mukra no at a material time any leader bia no nyankopon eden eyi no ema odi won anim enti to me
okay
me feel say Yura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia party de ne koy ye me ameti hai ye nya na ye Yura Baumia hour ewo so many radio stations o kana no wakan but nyina soa na ye feel say Ghana fo begina so e de ato abama ye no mystica an kodrusa
ma hunu sa
me de manu si na me ma wo figures bi wo Ablekumanov anenze ye koye by elections so even 2020 a you akufo do covid baya among 40 fie economy no I stand still no kura no Ghana for 53,000 epie koto abaye ma you akufo do ewo Ablekumanov constituency ye koto aba 2024 dipe to aba ma ye flag bearer and ye presidential candidate just 29,000 mystica over 23,000 difference. What happened? You see, it clearly means no. Na ye koto abano na ye maami bi mo ni ye mpanyfo bi eka clean. What dia compare kom baba na san asema Ghana for eka is see ya no. Momma ya compare ko ni ye fa to mini yadan. Enhye mo nsa. Ye nya so den. Ye mani fra anya day ensi akwan ye ma bibia ensi akwan but at this material time
okay
ye the Yura Kennedy aba for ye say on man no nye na onfa nye de heden ope but say on man ni bete Ghana for the radio but say Ghana for ebeje no na odi osum odi osum ɔde ahobraseɛ ɔde tumi a obenya no ama Ghana tumpɔn a gye sɛ asi ahene mememfrɛ mu atu ahene ɔmo yɛ asi ahene gye sɛ yɛn polling station executives yɛn constituency executives yɛn electoral area for yɛn regional for ɛne yɛn council of elders patrons ɛne old executives ni nyinaa ka bom ɛne yɛn national executives ɛne yɛn parliamentary and past and present parliamentary candidate ɛne yɛn MMDCs for akɔbɛn kurom sɛ ankwanoma yɛwura Dade Lumba ɔsɛ wɔde ne nkwa yɛ dɛn ɛba afɔreɛ na mmerɛ no so a na ɔyɛ dɛn na ɔkɔ mmerɛ no na aso sɛ yɛmfa yɛwura Kennedy ɛma afɔreɛ ma Ghanafoɔ na yɛwura Kennedy ɛnkyekyere ɔman Ghana na Ghana yɛpɛ sɛ yɛhu no ɛntu mpɔn sɛ deɛ yɛpɛ no
okay mamema 3 minutes why yeah Brenna so yeah Brenna so pacho yeah Brenna so Mr.
Anyway, I think say that was it. We am claim T4 that was it. I think say a sihine for no so ebe that was ye. Na me woni ama me no bi a pese me ka ho asem.
Okay.
The di kind say ye nuanom be mo describe nipa bia no a enchena ne boafu na or react no. Aya na ta describe o mo say o mu ni akoma. It is a nipa ntimi ndi anim. Onua psychologically obi bia de bufu ntem bia or resource oriented. Owakomapa. Me amiti we obi aba catch say I'm strong problem ne temper. But any problem. Obi a oma winsisi no. Obi ade anya ohwa ade nanum kasa nya wo sam premprem onko dancer. Oh, bokro no akwe we can say wo kro na wo no me US nchen. Say nipa no psychologically no. Ye hu sa ankofo no say o me resource oriented or per se ade bia no na wie ye no de nsusaso e ba no enye papa. Enti obi bia no a o typical say ai Ira Kennedy die enke beto abanama no na o wa akoma say adepa no support. Enti ehwe no ye. Number 2 me no ka say MPP betimi a dia dance ye say the street vote survey ya no it shows say the street wants Ira Kennedy.
As a mountain so amako.
Mountain so omotunto niema eni omo ni na mrantie me say NPP party no ani survey within and ya we make no abonten. Say the street votes in the Kennedy dia mo the Kennedy ba say to me na mo pedia mo for Kennedy mra sa.
Oh, okay.
And it will surprise you say the youth and the larger number almost see a Kennedy. Me na makleka say hwensempa okay yo nipa bebre 1 pp mu a omunim.
Oh yeah.
And one thing is say obi say see a man contract no credit me po makabida. But the question is na do amamu obebu ni no achia 8 years no. Nipa over 2,000 o be MPP4 and enya contract home. Over Western North make me abobi. But the question is no, some me who say what who tie me no minimum say we nya contract be. But the mood do say and a contract process over so if we buy no. Or would be able to party say you find your party adwuma. It's now no chess or dance. Party the man contractor do obeya ni wo mu no or be party adwuma. And rich MPP lose power. You need 6 months in po. Scania they running internal matters became a problem. We now want to how much he brought us. Munye na mo find your party adwuma. So the American say, baby, I hear no. That kind of negative noa. Ye nuanu bi mpesa obobegia to we say there be. Ye candidate say dey ba bi no. Wo mom dey ne ba ye no kwa se na emoa. Tie bi o. Wo mom ko fa no ba ye mu na dey ya botom sika. To airtime or radio so TV so ina no. Ye ya tren say who say there be per the figures. Any the reality. Emre ya ye womi. nipa obetimi aye Ghana ye and I make say me chiro
Did you?
we MPP delegate for when it chile say why NDC the neighbor. I have to draw your attention. Elections now here kono. Say 2 million 2028. Meaning MPP elusu this election now. MPP co-position 12 years. Mark it on the wall. Me say MPP lose this election 2028. You have co-position 12 years. And it's all MPP ni. Now the Iraq for car you say. So we your friend saying a messenger for ruling party more. And yes, in so you just get the opposition no dia. Mama yen defend this out 2 million way and some say. South 2 million and way and some say na. And one show clear no. Mummy protected all the delegates and said the ye name here part to ye. If the street wants ye Raken to be president, Mama me nya so dey na ye 12 years. Minia me da wase.
Yo, me so I say bebre Maclean, I'm sorry for na me brain aso.
Mesika. The can twa to nyina ne say presidential material. Enye sebe refined speeches. Say
okay reference speech as a
ideas.
And say enye se wono speech gina ho na ready speeches and I say ebia wo be share suit no chi Ra Kennedy can be I say I'm sorry I must say menye presidential material
so want to
the Ghana Mexica yeah the lawyers about the president. Yeah, the economist mo ababedi president. Teacher ni ababedi bi. Obi a communication expert, but the same results.
Okay.
Enti nobody immaterial enu mam. Enti the eka nyina ne say dani da nyina ye bekoso na ya kai ye party for. Because you say o the body to jemu a this o dani dan no ansana abene aye den. Enshi enunti yebekoso na ye ne party for no akasa na yabodawru a kyerensempa aka Ra Kennedy ni ene ye ba ye de eye part of Ra Kennedy ni achievement a odi aboy party no ne ye ba biemu nso a ye beto aso na the vision ne ma eda na ni so opese odi bo man nso no ye de abeden ye de enti me chia party for from the polling station akosi national level ni nyina ye de nchiaso nko efi Ra Pius abaka ye de nchiaso nko efi ye party for payi Kennedy wa ade ma ye party for nyina
and intermediate sabre Muslim